A display that lets you see wider and brighter. With the remarkable 91% screen-to-body ratio, the 3K full-view display gives you a massive view and vivid details. Its 3:2 aspect ratio is perfect for reading and writing. And the 100% sRGB 2-wide color gamut makes the images and videos more vibrant and realistic as if it were real. 13.9-inch, 3000 by 2000 resolution, 100% sRGB. Capture the moment with your fingers. Equipped with a sensitive touchscreen, MateBook X Pro allows you to scroll, zoom, select and interact very efficiently and intuitively. Now you can even swipe down with 3 fingers to capture the screen effortlessly. Classical and elegant, catch your eyes. MateBook X Pro is available in 3 charming colors. With soft and mysterious green tone, the emerald green is elegant and premium like a quiet emerald in the night sky, while the space gray and mystic silver are classical for both business and entertainment. Chic, sleek, incredibly portable. A professional notebook that's also portable. The elegant metallic body with exquisite CNC diamond cutting and sandblast finishing is just 14.6 mm thin and weighs only 1.33 kg. Comfortable to take anywhere. 14.6 mm thin. 1.33 kg light. MateBook Pro X share with just a simple tap. Your smartphone and MateBook will transform into one super device even without internet connection. Your phone screen appears on your laptop, which allows you to drag and drop files between them, and edit the files on your laptop while messaging colleagues on your phone using the same keyboard and mouse. This cross-device collaboration makes life and work easier. A new level of professional performance. With 10th Gen Intel registered Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 discrete graphics 8, up to 16 GB of memory and up to 1 TB of fast SSD storage, the MateBook X Pro is built to provide all the horsepower you need. Incredible multitasking efficiency, faster image processing and smoother gaming experiences are now all in one. The upgraded high-speed Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 ensures better connection without any worries. Stay powered for all day long. A monstrous 56Wh9 battery packed into the slim body provides up to 13 hours of video playback 10 on a single charge. Enjoy movies on your long flight without plugging in. 11 hours of web browsing 10. 13 hours of video playback 10. 15 hours of regular work 10. Creatively designed to protect your privacy. The power button can also detect your fingerprint to let you quickly and safely access the desktop with just one touch. The camera sits discreetly on the keyboard and pops up only when you want it to. An extra safeguard for your privacy. Voice is heard, loud and clear. The powerful quad speakers and split frequency setup offers you woofers with deep and resonant bass and tweeters with clear treble. In addition, with quad microphones and intelligent noise-reducing function, the environmental noise is effectively filtered. MateBook X Pro can pick up your voice from 4 meters away 11, so the voice-enabled apps can clearly hear and support you easily. Fit for all in your journey. Equipped with an ultra-light 65 watts pocket charger, notebooks, tablets and mobile phones that support USB-C interface can be quickly charged 12, so there is no need to take multiple chargers for different devices while traveling. Now the MateBook X Pro can be used for 6 hours with charged for only 30 minutes. 13 Get the power for a half day with a coffee break charging.